Hey, in this video I'm going to share with you this budget-friendly emergency radio, so stick around. Hey, recently on this channel I did a review of this Eaton emergency radio that is American Red Cross approved. It's a great radio. I'm going to stick a link up in the card so you can go and check out that video. But today I want to talk to you about this smaller portable emergency radio. It's made by Sky. This radio is much smaller than the other previous radio that I discussed on this channel. But I tell you what, it's packed with features and it's more affordable. So let's get right into it. Okay, in full disclosure, I purchased this with my own money. I went out on Amazon looking for a small emergency radio for my get-home bag and for 72-hour kits. And I tell you what, I found several to choose from. And I looked at them carefully and decided to go with this one here by Sky. It's a great little radio, and we'll talk about some of the features that it has. First of all, it's small and compact. It's lightweight. It's a plastic, but it almost has that rubbery feel, material all around it. So it's easy to grip. You're not going to easily drop it and lose it. It has a speaker right here on the front. Okay, one of the first things that you'll notice is that this is not a digital radio like others you may see out there. That's one of the reasons why this is more affordable. It is got the old style, just spin the wheel. Has a nice fold-in antenna. Aside from the tuning button here, you have the on-off button.
At 210.
And you have a selector here for both AM, FM, and the weather band. So if you want to listen to music, you can find your local stations, or if you just want to listen to the emergency radio, you flip it over to the weather band. Right here on top, you have your solar that allows you to charge this with the sun. It also has a handy little crank on the back that you can snap out and then hand crank this radio in order to charge it. It also comes with a short USB cable that allows you to charge it via USB. There is a built-in lithium-ion battery. It's a 1000 milliamp battery. The documentation says this battery will last you 7 to 8 hours. However, in my testing, it was lasting much longer than that. It does have a built-in flashlight. You click the button right here, you hold it down and release it, or you can push it down harder and it'll stay on. You can also use the supplied cable to charge your cell phone by plugging it in here and plugging the other end into your cell phone, so you can charge your cell phone. If necessary, you can use the hand crank to try to charge up your phone a little bit, and also of course the solar. And like I said, I purchased these for my get-home bags and Bugout bags, and I think they're a great budget-friendly radio. Highly encourage you to check it out. Now, just as a reminder, my channel is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. Most of the products I review on this channel, I purchased with my own money so that I can provide you an honest review and tell you what I honestly think about the product. This is a product that I think is worth your money, and if you're looking for an emergency radio, I would snatch this up. It's affordable, it's small, it's compact, it works well, and it's got all the necessary features that you would need in an emergency situation. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. For all the thumbs up I get, YouTube shares it with someone else. And I'm going to go ahead and stick up a couple videos right here I think you're going to enjoy. So if you click on those, I'll see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.